Google has drummed up a lot of buzz in recent months with their unveiling of the Google car. What makes the Google car special from regular cars is its ability to drive itself. You just give it the location you need to go to. It will get you there, taking turns at intersections and even stopping on red lights. In a regular car, the driver is responsible for every motion of the car, which can be a bad thing with drunk or incapable drivers. With the Google car, a program running on an advanced computer directs the car on what to do. It sees the environment through a bunch of cameras and laser rangefinders, while a GPS receiver and Google's own mapping service provide the exact location of the vehicle and where it needs to go. One major advantage that many people see with the Google car is fuel efficiency. Many experts will tell you that driving style can greatly increase fuel consumption with excessive acceleration and consequent braking. The Google car can calculate the optimum speed needed and keep it at that speed. The Google car can also save you from a few traffic tickets with its ability to keep constant speed. When the speed limit for the road you're on is available, the Google car can keep within those limits at all times. Google has tested their car extensively, and they have racked up thousands of miles with their fleet without any accidents. But still, the Google car does not have the abilities of a human driver to react to different scenarios. Cases like when a child chases after a ball onto the roadway, and many others. Unlike regular cars that ply today's highways, the Google car is just a concept car that gives us a view of what lies 10 or 20 years down the road. The Google car is not for sale, and the most optimistic estimate is at 8 years. Aside from the technological hurdles that the Google car faces, there are also social and legal issues that may be more difficult to address. Summary: a regular car needs to be driven while the Google car drives itself. A regular car is fully reliant on the driver while the Google car depends on sophisticated hardware. A regular car tends to consume more fuel than the Google car. The Google car does not have the comprehensive abilities of a driver on a regular car. The Google car is a mere concept unlike regular cars. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.